Hello students, standard 7th, chapter number 9, rational numbers, in which we learn already about the different operations regarding rational numbers, means the addition of rational numbers, subtraction, multiplication and division also. So now on the basis of that we learn, today we are going to start the final exercise 9.2. Let us start with the question number 1. Find the sum, means addition. First one is 5 upon 4 plus minus 11 upon 4. Here you can see that it is very simple because both the rational numbers have common denominator, and therefore here we don't have to do much thing. We have to add the numerators only, keeping the same denominator. So the 4 I keep as it is and add 5 plus minus 11. Now 5 plus minus 11 is 5 minus 11, and when they have different sign we subtract, means 11 minus 5, that is 6, and greater number sign means minus 6 upon 4 is equal to minus 2 3s are 2 2s are. So now by cancellation we get the answer minus 3 upon 2. Let's do the second sum. Second sum is 5 upon 3 plus 3 upon 5. Here we can see that both the rational numbers have different denominators. So when there is different denominators, what do we do? Don't make a mistake. 5 plus 3 upon 3 plus 5. Here, first of all, we have to find the LCM of denominators. So LCM of 3 and 5. Now both are prime numbers, so we have to multiply them. So the LCM is 15. So now 5 upon 3 plus, we have to multiply with a number such that LCM is 15. So multiplied by 3 5s are 15, so 5 upon 5, and plus 3 upon 5 also must be multiplied with something so that the denominator becomes 15. So 5 3s are 15, so we have to multiply by 3 upon 3. That is 5 5s are 25 upon 15 plus 3 3s are 9 upon 15. So here it is same like the first one, they have equal denominator now. So keeping the same denominator, we have to add the numerators. So 25 plus 9. What is 25 plus 9? 34. So E is equal to 34 upon 15. That can be final answer, or maybe sometime it is given in the mixed fraction also. But you can leave like that also. Just remember, if it is any cancellation, you have to do the simplest form. Third one. Third one is minus 9 upon 10 plus 22 upon 15. Now here also they don't have equal denominators. So first of all, we have to take the LCM. So LCM of 10 and 15. Now if you don't be able to do the verbally, you can do it in the rough. The LCM of 10 and 15 is 30. So now minus 9 upon 10 multiplied by, to make it 30, 10 3s are 30. So we have to multiply it with 3 upon 3 plus 22 upon 15, 15 2s are 30. So we have to multiply both of them by 2 upon 2. So here minus 9 3s are 27 upon 30 plus 22 2s are 44 upon 30. So here you can see that we convert them with the same denominator. So now keeping the same denominator, we have to add them minus 27 plus 44, and that is 4 minus 7, 3, 4 minus 2 is 2, minus 23 upon 30. Let's take the fourth one. In the fourth one, minus 3 upon minus 11 plus 5 upon 9. So now both are negative, so we can cancel the sign, so we can write down as thus also, and then we can take LCM. So now LCM of 11 and 9 is 99, because they are co-prime numbers, they don't have any other common factors. So now 3 upon 11, 11 9s are 99, and 5 upon 9 multiplied by 9, 11s are 99. So 9 3s are 27 upon 99, 11 5s are 55 upon 99. So now keeping the same denominator, 27 plus 55 upon 99, and then 7 plus 5 is 12, 5 plus 2 7 plus 1 82 upon 99. That is your final answer. Let's take the next, that is the fifth one. Minus 8 upon 19 plus minus 2 upon 57. So now LCM of 19 and 57 is 57 itself. 19 3s are 57. So now minus 8 upon 19 into 3 upon 3 to make it 57. This already have 57, so you can keep as it is. Or you can do like that, multiply by 1 upon 1 if you want to. Otherwise, it's fine. 8 3s are 24 upon 57 plus minus 2 1s are minus 2 upon 57. So keeping the same denominator, minus 24 plus minus minus 2, that is minus 26 upon 57. So let's take another one, sixth one. Sixth one is minus 2 upon 3 plus 0. But we don't have to do nothing, because when you add 0, 0 is the neutral number for the or the additive identity. So that is the answer. So we will do the last seventh one. Minus 2 integer 1 upon 3 plus 4 integer 3 upon 5. So 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7 એટલે minus 7 upon 3 plus 5 4s are 20 plus 3 23 upon 5. Now LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. So now we will take 15 as the base. So we will convert it. Minus 7 upon 3 into 3 5s are 15 and 5 3s are 15. So minus 7 5s are 35 upon 15 plus 69 upon 15. So that is minus 35 plus 69 upon 15. So 9 minus 5 4. 9 minus 5 4. 6 minus 3. So 34 upon 15. That is the final answer like this. Now question number 2. In it there is subtraction. So find first one. 7 upon 24 minus 17 upon 36. Here we have to do the same thing as we did in the addition, just the middle sign is for the subtraction. So LCM of 24 and 36. I can do myself, but if you can't, then you have to do in the rough page. 24, 36, 12 2s are 18 2s are 6 2s are 9 2s are 3 2s are 9 as it is, 3 1s are 3 3s are, and 3 1s are 2 2s are 4 4 2s are 8 8 9s are 72. So the LCM will be 72. So if you don't know, you can do it like that, 72. So now 7 upon 24. 24 should be multiplied with 3 to make 72. Minus 17 upon 36. 36 multiply by 2 to get 72. So that is 7 3s are 21 upon 72 minus 17 2s are 34 upon 72. Now equal denominators. So you can do the subtraction. 21 minus 34, keeping the same denominator. Now 4 minus 1 3, 3 minus 2 1, but greater number is minus. So answer is minus 13 upon 72. Second one is 5 upon 63 plus, minus 6 upon 21. So here LCM of 63 and 21. We know that 21 3s are 63. So LCM will be the greater number, that is 63. So that is equal to 5 upon 63. You can keep as it is, minus 6 upon 21. 21 3s are. So we have to multiply them by 3 upon 3. That is 5 upon 63 minus 6 3s are minus 18 upon 21. 21 3s are 63. So now same denominator. So 5 minus 18. You can do minus becomes plus. So subtraction converts into the addition. 5 plus 18, 23. So answer is 23 upon 63. Take the third one. Minus 6 upon 13 minus 7 upon 15. So is equal to minus, now LCM 13 and 15. So now 13 and 15 will have LCM because they don't have any common factors, so we have to multiply them. So 13 multiplied by 15, 195. So LCM of 13 and 15 is 195. So minus 6 upon 13 into 15 upon 15 minus 7 upon 15 into 13 upon 13. So now 15 6 are 90. So minus 90 upon 195. Here minus you can convert it into the plus also. 13 sevens are 91 upon 195. So now 195 is the common denominator. So minus 90 plus 91. So minus 90 plus 91 is minus 1 or plus 1 because greater number is plus. So is 1. So 1 upon 195. Let's do the fourth one. Fourth one is minus 3 upon 8 minus 7 upon 11. They don't have any common factors, so LCM will be the multiplication. LCM of 8 and 11 is 88. So minus 3 upon 8 into 11 upon 11 and 7 upon 11 multiplied by 8 upon 8. So that both will have the common. So minus 33 upon 88 minus 7 8s are 56 upon 88. So that is minus 33 minus 56. Here we have to add them because both have negative sign. So we add them and then put the negative sign. So 6 plus 3 9, 5 plus 3 8. So minus 89 upon 88. The last fifth one. Minus 2 integer 1 upon 9 minus 6. Converting it, so 9 to the 18 plus 1 19. So minus 19 upon 9 minus 6 upon 1 for our convenience because it does not have any denominator. So LCM will be 9. So is equal to minus 19 upon 9 minus, this one we have to multiply with 9 upon 9. So minus 19 upon 9 minus 6 9s are 54 upon 9. So that is equal to LCM common fact is 9. So minus 19 minus 54. So it is minus 73 upon 9. So addition and subtraction are very simple. Here we are going to finish the session. Will be followed by PDF. And any confusion, write down in the comment section. Thank you very much.